just get this autopilot on. Where's it going? Yeah, the flight was a bit stressful because I did for the first time ILS in real IMC. I mean, it was like all the way down to, it was at 1100 feet, and it's the decision altitude was 993, I think. So I didn't have that much choice. And yeah, it went okay, luckily. And again, we're in Monroe here. We'll see you on board. Good morning, November 22336. I'm at Monroe Executive, looking to pick up my IFR plane.
November 336, cleared from the Monroe Airport to the Lima Hotel Whiskey Airport, as filed. Maintain 3,000. Expect 8,000 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is going to be 120.05 and squawk 2276.
Clear to Lima Hotel Whiskey, as filed. Climb and maintain 3,000, expect 8,000 in 10 minutes. Frequency 120.05, squawk 2276, Cherokee 22336.
November 336, readback is correct. Which running of our now? Get ready.
23.
Hold for release, comment on number 1 at the end.
We'll hold for release on 23.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye. 36, looking for clearance. Okay, fly heading 230.
At Alpha 4.
And climb and maintain 3,000. Monroe traffic, Cherokee entering runway 23. Departing south, Monroe.
336 radar contact. It's about 2 miles southwest of Rock Hill Airport. I'm sorry, from Monroe Airport. Maintain 3,000.
10-3000, Cherokee 22336.
Valley City traffic.
I don't know what they're saying, a nice day to fly.
But we're entering the left downwind.
There are clouds everywhere.
Runway 23, Monroe. Moving eastbound on an Elmwood departure.
Hey, we're in the soup. 200 to go.
Don't you have to wait 10 minutes before you climb to 8,000?
Okay, so this is only if I lose contact with the radio. That's the only time I use it. Otherwise, I listen to him.
And he said staying at 3,000.
Climb and maintain 3,000. So we're right in the clouds. But we're professionals. Like you are. Me, I'm not so sure. Okay, so let me... Right. No pump. Off. No pressure. Let's just make sure. Take off, climb, cruise, throttle, prop, picture, instrument. Fuel pump tank. Yeah, I have it. No pump on. Off switching, then off after 10 seconds. Wow, I didn't realize. Gotta wait to turn this off. 10 seconds afterwards. Gripping to. No. We're right in the middle, smack in the middle of the clouds.
Cherokee 336, climb and maintain 8,000 and Shaw approach 125.4.
Climb and maintain 8,000, contact Shaw 125.4, Cherokee 22336. Ah, it's nice to be above the clouds.
Yeah.
Cloud surfing. Yeah. And we were in Charlotte, and we went to a French restaurant.
Okay, first let me say which restaurant we were. It was called Belle Hélène.
Ooh la la.
And it wasn't actually the restaurant I was originally looking for, but I have to say it was very nice.
Maintain 2,500.
We didn't have a reservation. It was Friday evening. It was full, actually. It was really full. The service very good. Tasty enough to say I would go again. I'm not sure. It was good, but I have eaten already better. So here we are again, surfing the clouds, as Ben says. The weather above the clouds is beautiful. Sunny, really very, very nice.
Okay, so we had a change of plans. We're supposed to go to White Army Airfield And apparently the tower is closed, and ATC was reluctant to that
Number 695 traffic today.
it's IFR under IFR, and they will not
with us on a 28 and 3
be able to give me the
uncomfortable for us
RNAV.
a little bit further south on your practice.
So I had to look for another
area. I'd appreciate it.
airport, and I found the Brunswick. Golden Isle. It's only about 40 miles further, which is not too bad. And we're going to go for RNAV 25, and right now I'm instructed to go down to 4,000. So that's what we're doing. We're going to go through the layer of the clouds, and hopefully we'll have a good approach. Right, co-pilot? Yes. Yes, okay. The co-pilot was with me. I briefed the approach. It gives me ground, that's the initial approach fix, at 1700. Right to Wargu, which is at also at 1700, and that's when I start my descent, right to the runway. This approach is fly and climb 20,000 heading straight to port. The VA is 226 feet
your VFR
and 3/4 of a mile RVR.
You could have never done this without your former.
Number 336, contact Jacksonville Center 126.75. Have a good day.
126.75. You too, thank you. Have a good day. Cherokee 22336. Okay, we're in the soup now.
C2336, clear to Brown and track inbound. Hope your clearance in here for a while.
Director Brown, Cherokee 22336. This is going to be a good approach to count.
Alright, C2336, track inbound when you reach Brown, and I'll have your clearance inbound just a second.
Okay, track inbound, Cherokee 22336. I think William Wong. We'd be proud of me.
Echo, clear to Ormond Beach, Oscar.
So far, I don't know. No mistakes. And Alan would tell him, he's not bad, I hope.
C2336, here's traffic just passed underneath of you there. Maintain and above 1,700 until you are established. You're cleared for the RNAV runway 25 into the Golden Miles Airport. For cancellation of your IFR on this frequency if unable to flight service.
Descend to 1700 until established on the approach, and clear for the RNAV 25, Cherokee 22336. Brunswick traffic, Cherokee on short final, runway 25, Brunswick. There was a good approach. Totally legal.
He's on final, about 5 miles out from the field. Let me get him down, and then I'll have your clearance for you. I'll give you a hold for release for now when you're ready to copy it.
Ready to copy.
Which runway are you coming off of?
25.
Number 22336, Roger. You're going to be cleared from Golden Miles to the Lima November Alpha Airport via direct Craig as filed. I'm to maintain 2000, block code 6267. This is your departure frequency. Hold for release.
Hold for release, but I didn't get the Craig. Could you spell it out for me, please?
It's the first leg of your fix, or the first leg of your flight plan you filed, Craig.
Cool, thank you. Climb maintain 2000, squawk 6267, same frequency I'm on right now, and we'll wait for a release. Cherokee 22336. 60. 70. For Cherokee 22336 at 600, climbing 2000, direct to Craig.
22336, Jack Center, radar contact, climb maintain 6000 for your final, Brunswick altimeter 3006.
Climb maintain 6000, Cherokee 22336.
480 Tango Sierra, maintain 6000 until it's time to improve.
And let me just get this autopilot on. Whoa, where's it going? Oh, that's why. My mistake. What happened? What happened? I had it on the runway heading, and I used the heading to tell the autopilot to use the heading, not the GPS. So that's why it was going that way. But now I'm correcting it. I noticed it right away because I was going away from the CDI.
Check center, jet clear, chair 7.
That's a CDI. This thing. Okay, we're going into the soup again. Okay. Approach Cherokee 22336. at 4,700, climbing 6,000.
November 22336, Jack's altimeter 3005. I have a waypoint for you to copy. Advise ready. I got a question about your flight plan.
Go ahead.
November 22336, did you intend to do practice approaches at Craig, Ormond, and Melbourne before going on the Lantana, or is those just waypoints?
It's just waypoints, that's it.
Okay, November 336, I have one more waypoint. Actually, in lieu of Ormond Beach, I got one waypoint for you. Advise ready to copy.
When you say Ormond, is this Oscar, Mike, November?
Yeah, I'm going to replace that with something else. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
November 22336, change route to read from Craig, Ormond, Melbourne to read Craig, Foxham, Foxtrot, Oscar, X-Ray, Alpha, Mike, then direct Melbourne. So you're just substituting Ormond for Foxham.
Substitute Ormond, that's Kilo, Oscar, Mike, November, to Foxtrot, Oscar, X-Ray, Alpha, Mike, direct to MLB. Turkey 22336.
Number 22336, good copy, thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen on board, this is the pilot speaking.
November 904 Tango, contact
taking-
person 125.2, good day.
We're about 11 minutes to Lantana, however, we have to do a procedure turn, probably. We're going to take
904 Tango, contact
RNAV
person
Alpha
125.2.
into Lantana.
125.2 for
On your right hand side, you will see the tall towers at
Approach hello, United 780,
standing at
1,523
million
United 780,
above sea level.
runway 10 left.
Enjoy the view.
Thank you.
Bombers 81, flight
Welcome to
270.
South
270, Bombers 281.
Life is good in America.
I'm still tired.
Yeah, it's been a long day. Okay, 2600. Turkey 460. That 45, that's the one that I was practicing the ILS.
27, it's
What? Yeah, runway 27, 09, two runways. That's the way I had my check ride too.
336, the Lantana Airport, 12 o'clock, 2 miles. Do you have it in sight?
Yes, I do, Turkey 22336.
Roger, advise IFR cancellation any of this frequency or on the ground on the phone number I can give you.
I'll cancel the frequency, the IFR plan right now. Turkey 22336.
2336, IFR cancellation received, practice search approved, no separation services provided. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, good day.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Have a good day, thank you. Turkey 22336. Antenna traffic, Cherokee clear, runway 10, antenna.
China 94 Whiskey 10 to the southeastbound will be north along the shoreline.